Oh, hey, buddy. What's up? Today, we're going to work on this Eggplane. Eggplane? Yep. Let's do it. Now, this is my very first Eggplane.
This can't go
well. Actually, it's the very first thing that I've done outside of model cars or trucks. So, this is going to be very interesting. So, what made you want to do an Eggplane? Well, I was wanting to do one last year. Okay. But I didn't have an Eggplane at the time. I had to order one. I actually ordered a bunch of them, so I got plenty of Eggplanes to do. Well, you still didn't answer why. But whatever. Okay. So this was your first Eggplane build. Yep. How did it go? It went well. It was actually funner than I thought it would be. I told you. They seem simple, and they are simple, but it's a lot of detail, and it's a lot of things that you could do to these things. And I really enjoyed it. Well, you said you got a bunch of them, so I guess it's more Eggplanes in the future. Not just Eggplanes. I think I like making airplanes. Whoa. I think I'm gonna try that. Slow down, Captain. What? One thing at a time. Anyway, so the first thing we did was the cockpit. Overkill. And I kind of went overboard.
When do you
but
not go
my
overboard?
favorite thing in a jet airplane is the ejector seats.
Me too.
So I had to have the ejector cords and all that. So that's what you see right there. I detailed the interior of the cockpit, or whatever you would call it on the airplane, as much as I could with the little knowledge that I had of
little to none
airplanes. And I think it came out pretty good, but I think I kind of did a little too much to it. Overkill. It's an Eggplane, So anyway, I calmed down on the detail after that.
Good.
Huh? Okay. Now, probably my most difficult part of this build was masking the cockpit.
Oh, yeah.
It was easy, but it was hard at the same time, if you understand what I'm saying.
I don't.
It was just very tedious work. And I didn't enjoy it at all. But here go my cockpit.
It looks pretty good to me.
You don't think you did good? I think I did a pretty good mask job for the first cockpit. Yeah, you were too hard on yourself. Okay, what happened to Buddy?
Oh no, you figured it out. I have taken over Buddy's body.
Okay, stop playing. You the one say what happened to Buddy? So this is the color that I painted it. And the only problem that I had was whenever I put the glue on, I got a drip in the back part of it. And it kind of showed through. Once I take the mask off, it shows through. And what I ended up doing was re-masking off the area and making the cockpit glass a little smaller than it's supposed to be. See that part right there? That's supposed to go back a little more, but I had to paint to cover up the glue.
Wow.
Splat or drip or whatever.
Really?
So yeah, just a small little correction, but I think it turned out pretty good.
You know this isn't confession, right?
That part kind of bothered me, so I had to, express what was going on. And, I don't know. Maybe it helped somebody out.
How?
I don't know. Just watch the show, buddy. Don't get mad at me.
So, I got all the smaller parts all painted up. The wheels and everything, the missiles.
Okay, I see you.
Now, the circle around the nose, I just traced the circle and then I masked it off. And I had to choose which marker to use since I didn't have any black spray paint on hand. And I think it came out pretty good.
Hey, you work with what you got, right?
Exactly.
You mean exactly?
No, I mean exactly.
Whatever. And I was meaning to tell you, I don't like my Eggplane. You didn't do an Eggplane, but I don't like my Eggplane. That don't make any sense.
I like pepper on it.
What?
I like salt.
Okay, we get it. You got jokes.
Dang.
You got a lot of dad jokes. Anyway, before I put all the miscellaneous parts onto the plane, I went ahead and did the decals because a lot of the decals are behind those parts.
Okay, that's smart.
Like, the landing gears and all that, the missiles. Yeah, we get it. But I always get nervous when placing decals because I can never get them in the right spot.
Yeah,
and
me
once
either.
I think I got it in the right spot and it dries and everything, I find out that it's not in the right spot.
You're done.
So anyway, I use microsaw to dissolve the
decals into the panel lines and all that. So pretty much you're done with the Eggplane once you get these decals on. Pretty much. But, you know, like I said, I still got to get those landing gears and all that stuff on. Duh, of course. So I'll show the reveal in the next video. And hopefully you guys like it. Wait, what?